Hi guys, I'm here today to show you how to disassemble this type of Logitech keyboard. I've seen lots of guys struggling to open it. It's not that hard at all, but I've seen many comments from you on the internet complaining about breaking your keyboards. So here's the short guide how to do it. Well, you've got to unscrew total of 20 screws. Yep. So we will start at the back, where you can find 16 different screws. Yeah, I unscrewed the few of them already. Just simply use a screwdriver and unscrew them. And now we are going to get to the tricky part. As I told you before, there are 20 screws. We've unscrewed only 16 of them already. There are 4 more to find. 2 of them are hidden under the keys. One is under tab button and one is under numeric plus button. So you've got to remove the keys using a knife like this. Yep, and you can see the screw hidden here. So now I'm going to remove the numeric plus button. The same system, yep. And there is another screw. Unscrew the screws. And the last 2 screws are located under these small rubber things on one side and on the other side as well. So you've got to remove them using your knife like this. Maybe you will have to use the glue to glue them back, but I have disassembled this for 3 times and it still sticks together. Yep. So you got to unscrew this screw and the same on the other side. Remove and unscrew this screw. You have now opened the keyboard up the upper part. This is the most easiest place. Continue to the side. Push it and it will disassemble by itself. Yep, here you go. Yep, that's it. Pretty easy, just a bit tricky. I hope my guide has helped you and you won't break your keyboards anymore. Thank you.